recipe of Chef Bindo, we're gonna make a piadina romagnola. Piadina is a typical Romanian bread. Usually they cook the piadina on this stone. It's like a pan of stone. But today we're gonna be more technological, so we're gonna cook on our aluminium pan. But this is very nice. It's kind of a rare thing because it's made with crushed stone. Before they cook the stone, and after they crush it, they make a dough, and then they make this pan and they cook it on the oven. So to make piadina, it's very easy. Today we're gonna make with flour, milk, oil, baking powder, or you can use also baking soda and salt. I use oil because it's more healthy, but usually they put pork fat. So it's super easy. Just put the flour on the board. Always make the phone thing. I'm gonna take something to help me. So then we put the oil. The milk. It's like to make a normal dough. Usually the piadina there is two kinds of piadina. One from the north of Romagna. It's a little bit thicker. And the other one is from south of Romagna. It's more thin. I love the thicker one. It's a super good bread to eat with salami, prosciutto, all the cured meat, cheese, a lot of type of cheese, gorgonzola, fresh cheese. So it's a little bit hard to make the pasta, but it's a good exercise. You can miss the gym for one day, do the piadina, and you put the weight of your body like this, so you squeeze the dough. You see, soft. Work a little bit more. Okay, now it's quite nervous because we just finished to work, and we divide our dough in a small bowl, like 150 grams each. In a small bowl, and we leave there for 10 minutes so they relax a little bit. Down, and then we're gonna make it flat with the rolling pin and cook it right away. We cover a little bit with the film, and we let rest for 10 minutes. So after 10-15 minutes, we're gonna take our dough. You see, now it's nice and soft. And with the rolling pin, this is a huge rolling pin. It's my grand-grandmother rolling pin. 130 years old. A little bit more. Voila. So the first is always the worst because we have to try the pot. And I forgot to tell you, you go like this, the fork. So our piadina is ready. When you need it, just reheat it on the pan and fill it with all the product I told you before. And I hope I was clear, and enjoy your piadina. And see you next recipe. Ciao guys.